Hey guys, my name's Monika, and if you're like me, you love ramen. A true college kitchen staple that we all know and love so much. But it's time. We switch up the game because today we're taking regular old ramen and we are making it fancy ramen.
Today, we're making a fancy shrimp ramen, adding some luxury to these cheap noodles. Our ingredients? First, we'll chop up 1 mushroom, scallion. Now, time to make a sauce from scratch. 1 cup of chicken stock, then we need some sugar for sweetness, fish sauce, soy sauce, and a little sriracha to kick it up. If you have sesame oil on hand, add it in. Mix, 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 mix. Now we're going to make a foil envelope. This is going to hold everything together. Be super careful with the foil because if you break it, the liquids will leak out and our noodles won't cook. Pour in that homemade soup and wrap it up. Time to cook it. Oh yeah, look at our own vamped up shrimp ramen. No packet needed.
We gotta slurp it. That's good.
Whoa, you thought we were done? Ooh, yeah, look at that dreamy carbonara. 7 simple ingredients. First step, we're gonna fry up some bacon and make it crispy. Set aside, but keep that delicious bacon fat. And then we're gonna add more fat, aka butter. Add a cup of heavy cream. Add those noodles, oodles of noodles. Did someone say cheese? Yes, please. Turn off your heat and add the egg. If your noodles are looking a little dry, just add some water. Bacon goes back in. Pepper.
And now for my favorite part. Let's dig in. I'm actually really surprised how this one came out. This is really, really good. It's super crispy with the bacon and cheesy.
Thanks for tuning in.